In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the Draw tab and use the Pen tool in Microsoft Word so you can write, sketch, and highlight directly on your document. This feature is perfect for adding notes, marking corrections, signing files, or creating simple drawings with a mouse, stylus, or touchscreen. Start by opening your Word document. Look at the ribbon at the top of the screen and check if the Draw tab is already visible. If you do not see it, go to the File menu and choose Options. In the Word Options window, select Customize Ribbon. On the right side, look for the Draw checkbox and turn it on. Then click OK. The Draw tab will now appear in the ribbon. Click the Draw tab to see the available tools. You will find pens, pencils, and highlighters in different colors and thicknesses. Choose a pen style by clicking on it. If you want to change the color or thickness, click the small arrow on the pen icon and adjust the settings. This helps you match your drawing to your notes or document style. To start drawing, simply move your mouse or stylus across the page. If you are using a touchscreen device, you can write naturally with your finger or digital pen. If your device supports pressure sensitivity, pressing harder can make thicker lines. You can erase mistakes by selecting the Eraser tool and dragging over the marks you want to remove. If you want straight lines or shapes, choose the Ink to Shape option. Draw a rough shape and Word will automatically smooth it into a clean line, circle, or rectangle. You can also use Ink to Text to convert handwritten notes into typed text when the handwriting is clear. When you are finished, click Stop Inking or switch back to the Home tab to continue editing your document normally. Using the pen tools in Word is a great way to personalize your work, add quick notes, and make your documents more interactive. If you think this video is helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell.